Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is FG Glory and I create videos around sewing, pattern making, and also behind the scene I create beautiful garments. If those are the things you like, consider subscribing. And also if you are here to just see my fine face, consider staying and also subscribing so you can see more of it. So on today's episode on our series on basic block, we'll be dealing with a basic sleeve. Yes, a basic sleeve can be altered to a blazer sleeve, can be altered to a balloon sleeve, can be altered to a bishop sleeve, different kind of sleeve, varieties of sleeve, but you just have to like get the basic right. So that's what I'll be teaching you today. Let's get to the cotton table.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you.
So if you've been following my video, you know we use our tape rule, marker, scissors, eraser, pattern master, pencil, measurement, and also a calculator. So I already like folded my pattern paper into two to get the midpoint. So I'll be rolling a line in the middle, just like make it more prominent. So I'll roll that line, make sure it's straight. So now I'll come down from the beginning of my pattern paper, just like get the beginning of the sleeve. Then I'll measure from there to get our sleeve length. The sleeve length I'm working with today is 21 inches. So I'll just mark that. So I'll roll a line across. Then I'll roll a line across our wrist. So this is going to like serve as our wrist measurement. This is our wrist distance. So I'll just write it. This is our wrist. And this is our sleeve head or sleeve cap. You just write sleeve cap or head, like the beginning of our sleeve. So now, from this point, I'll go down by 5 or 6 inches, but let me just use 6 inches. So you can use 5, then now big the person is 5, 6, 7. So now I'll take my elbow measurement too. I showed you guys how to like measure the elbow. The elbow measurement we are working with here is 12 inches. Okay, let me check. Okay, yes, 11.5 inches. So I'll just read that across also. Just read that. So now start putting our circumference measurement divided by 4. So now, since we are working on the front, like the front and the back on different sides, like this serves as my front sleeve, and my back sleeve. This is my back. You understand? Like the front side and the back. So now here I'll take my elbow measurement. This is our elbow, and this is bicep. So the elbow here is 9 inches round. So now 9 inches round. So what you do is you divide 4.5. 9 inches divided by 2, which is 4.5. So you have 1 point here. You put 4.5 in the middle. Then your 9 inches is here. Like, let me just show you how to do it. Like 9 inches divided by 2. So that's I got 4.5. So now for our biceps we are working with here is 11. So 11 divided by 2, that's 5.5. Same thing I did. You just like, this is like an easy way out instead of you punching a calculator. So this is 5.5. So you just like this here. And also mark 11. So I want to like make this line longer. It's like meet our points. So, and also this one also. So that is so now 4.5. Yes. So that is it. So for the wrist we are working with is 7. So that's 3.5. So I just meant to say. So this is like my own measurement, like the measurement I'm working with. So you can like tailor it to fit you, the measurements you are working with. So I'll just like roll a line across. The line across from the bicep down. And also roll another line. So now from this line I'm going to like form a triangle to this point. It's already like looking kind of like a sleeve, but that arm around is not there yet, so that's what we're trying to like do. So for the front, I'll measure this part. This gave me 8, so I'll divide 8 by 4. Like, pay attention to what I'm doing. I'll divide 8 by 4. So this is 1, yeah, and this is the last one. So for the back, it will still be the same thing, yes. So I'll divide it by 3, so that should be, so I just use my calculator because, yeah, they have a calculator, divided by 3. So that's 2.67. So this is, yeah. And the next one should be around, yeah. So what we'll do now, once like get the round, so you come in, you go up by 0.75. Like, please pay attention, follow me. So you come in here, by 0.75 and 0.5. So I'll use my pencil now because I don't want to commit to my marker. I want to like use my pencil to like mark now. So I'll just trace it. So I like touch this one. Please, I don't know. Then it's going to like meet this 0.5. Let me just use my pattern master. So like I like to this point. So I'll just go in. So please like just make sure like they follow the same line. So when I like it, I'll commit with my marker. I think I do. So I'll go with my marker now. So that's how you get your. So for the back now, the back is different because I'll be dividing this last portion of, we divided it by 3, so the last portion I'll be dividing it by 2 again. So this is, so I'll just like do, since it's an even number, or like now it's divisible by 2 now, so I'll just like put it here. So I'll go in by 0.5 inches here. So that's just different. This one, so on this one we didn't divide it by 2, but this one we divided by 3, then the last one divided by 2. So now on this part I'll come out by 0.75 again. So let me just use my pencil. Let me not come into my marker again. So when I'm done, when I like it, then I can go with my marker. So just like come in here. So I think I like it. So I'll go in my marker now to like make the line very, very clean. I think this is the right one. Like, I'm not the best artist, I know, but so now we've gotten like the head or this cap of our sleeve. So now let's just label it. This is our elbow, wrist, bicep, and we just label it the front, so we know. So you can just add notches or just mark it as the front, since it's a basic pattern. So when you are cutting it on your fabric, you can like know which one it is. So this is front and this is the back. They are different because I divided this one by 4, divided this one by 3, then the last portion of the third, the 3 this one I divided by 2 again. So you just have to follow the tutorial. So now we'll be cutting. That's all for our sleeve pattern, like easy peasy. So depending on the kind of the clients you are working with, or if you are bigger than I am, you can like make it 6, you can make it 6, you can make it 5. If you are smaller than I am, you can make it 4 also. So it just depends on how big you are. So I'll be cutting. I didn't add sewing allowance because it's just like a pattern paper. So And with this sleeve, you can make your suits, your blazer sleeve, any kind of sleeve. It's like a foundation, like the rest of what we did so far on the channel. So I'm making sure that I'm making a mistake or cutting. So it's going to like fit so well in your garments, like fit really well. So that is all for today. So you have your front, you have your back. They are quite different, they are not the same. This is your front, this is your back. So this is how you fold it. So you can make it, this is small because this is the width I'm working with. So depending on your client, you can make it bigger. You can make this line longer than mine if your client is big. So this is mine. Thank you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and also you find it really helpful. So stick around for next video. So we'll be modifying our block, we'll be carrying our paper into a fabric. So stick with me as we go on this ride. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.